everyone, a warm welcome to all. In continuation with the previous video on the overview of Jupiter in Taurus, today I'll be sharing some insight on the conjunction of transit Jupiter with natal planets and the impact on all the ascendants. All signs, planets and houses has same fixed significations and they do not change. The change happens when there is some other influence on that sign, planet or a house, which will result into a mixed and exclusive energy. Any connection, conjunction or aspect of a transit planet with natal planet of our birth chart triggers unique event depending on which planets are connecting and also our dasha period. And when the biggest benefic Jupiter makes some connection with our natal planets, then it can amplify its signification in the most positive manner. See, Jupiter is a teacher, preacher, and a counselor to us. He will always enhance our knowledge and changes our perception first about the matter in front of us. We act on our understanding guided by Jupiter in our chart, and everything looks much easier with that increased knowledge. That's how Jupiter helps us. Wealth, prosperity, all are after effect. First, it changes our perception for good. When Jupiter makes any connection with a planet, then expect increased opportunities, growth, and abundance in the signification of that planet. In Taurus, Jupiter will simply bring more awareness in the matters related to our family, our values, culture, our self-worth, our eating habits and finances with a sense of optimism. But it is very necessary to remain mindful of going overboard in all these matters. We need to do this consciously, and keeping our balance is the key to success and have the best results of Jupiter. Also, this time it is different and unique, as Jupiter will change our perception from the root level, soul level, which may not appear to be very positive initially. The reason being special here is Jupiter is with Uranus, the planet of disruptive, sudden and innovative changes. And both are in Sun's nakshatra, where Sun is with Jupiter and Uranus. We have Pluto in Sun's nakshatra also. But it is very good for our long-term future, leaving some lasting impact on Aries and Taurus, both the signs, as they will make this unique conjunction in Taurus as well. Let us see for each planet and their energy, which can modify with the conjunction or connection with Jupiter. When Jupiter in Taurus is making any connection with your natal sun, then it can amplify our confidence, our leadership qualities, and a sense of purpose. This can apply to you, your father, your bosses, or your children. Also check the lordship of Sun, that is Leo sign in your chart, where you can see some results of it. There can be a strong drive to pursue new goals, especially in the areas related to finance, career, and some personal development. It can signify a period of growth, success, where you can shine brightly and attract opportunities for progress. Then, when natal moon makes any connection with the transit Jupiter in Taurus, then expect change, some movement, relocation, or travel to distant places. Check Cancer sign for results, and Moon is exalted here to give some strong results. Connection of Moon with transit Jupiter can bring emotional well being, improved nurturing qualities, and desire for family and financial securities. But there can be intense feeling, emotional eating with mood swings. The emotions will fluctuate a lot with this Jupiter and Moon conjunction or connection, and your focus can be to attain peace and fulfillment, particularly in domestic and our family life. The same applies to your mother or any motherly person in your life. Then, when natal Mercury makes any connection with the transit Jupiter, then it can enhance our communication skills, our mental clarity, and intellectual interest. You can be a problem solver and can express your point very effectively. But there can be debates or internal struggle to handle close relations, especially our maternal relation. See, Jupiter and Mercury are not very good friends, but they won't harm each other. All these can apply to our friends, cousins, and the results can be seen in the Mercury ruled sign, that is Gemini and Virgo. This time can be best used for learning new concepts and ideas. When natal Venus makes any connection with the transit Jupiter in Taurus, then this is Venus's own sign. Venus is the dispositor of Jupiter, so this can give you some concrete results. Here, two teachers and the most benefic planets with different principles of life are making connection. Expect internal struggle on choices that we make, but definitely a time for joy, fulfillment in relationship, as well as increased appreciation for beauty, comfort, and finer things in our life. Check both Taurus and Libra for results, and it can impact our life partner, female in our life, sister, mother, and girlfriends. Focus will be more on having prosperity at all the levels, love and harmonious relations. Self worth and face value can improve with this connection. There can be increased opportunities for romance, creative expression, and also financial prosperity. Then, when natal Mars make a connection with transit Jupiter in Taurus, then it can make the fiery Mars very grounded and practical in its approach, but definitely with enhanced energy, ambition, and great enthusiasm. There can be strong drive to take action, pursue new goals, and overcome any obstacle with determination. At times, even fight for it. All these can impact you or your sibling, husband for female, and Mars ruled sign, that is Aries and Scorpio. It can signify a time of productivity and achievement, but be mindful and channelize the energy towards the right direction. Then, when natal Jupiter makes any connection with the transit Jupiter, this can bring life changing events and it can amplify all the qualities of Jupiter. You may experience a sense of optimism and confidence, as well as increased luck and success in various areas of our life. This can be for you, your teacher, mentors, and whatever Jupiter signify in your chart and its signs, that is Sagittarius and Pisces. Basically, a time of expansion and prosperity where there can be lucky breaks and ease to achieve our goals. Also, always check the placement of transit Jupiter from the natal Jupiter. It tells a lot about what kind of impact we can have. For example, if the transit Jupiter is 6th from the natal Jupiter, this can give you lucky breaks in your job, cures to your existing disease, or at times it can give you new disease, multiple problems in your job depending on your dasha. Then, if natal Rahu makes any connection with transit Jupiter, then there is a certain new beginning from here. Both Jupiter and Rahu can amplify each other's energy, but Rahu, being strong in Taurus, can overpower Jupiter here. Expect significant increase in all kinds of unrealistic desires and cravings for materialistic side of life, seeking more wealth, status and other worldly pleasures. This connection can encourage impulsive action and speculative investments to earn in an easy manner. The results can be unpredictable, and being cautious is very necessary at each level to avoid losses. And if natal Ketu makes any connection with transit Jupiter, then there is a strong potential for profound spiritual insights and growth. Expect a sense of detachment from material possessions and worldly desires. This is just opposite to Rahu. You may feel a deepening connection for spiritual path and an increased desire for inner fulfillment. This connection can also bring opportunities for emotional healing and release from life. You may confront unresolved issues from the past, allowing you to heal and move forward with greater clarity and emotional freedom. Then, if natal Saturn makes a connection with transit Jupiter, then significant and long term goals can be realized. The darker side of Saturn can subside here. Saturn is the most benefic planet for Taurus sign. The combination of the expansive energy of Jupiter with the disciplined nature of Saturn can signify a period of growth through hard work, perseverance and practical approach. It can impact your uncle, older people in your house, your servant or your employees, your staff. Also check the Saturn ruled signs, that is Capricorn and Aquarius, for results. There can be delays, challenges or obstacles, but with determination and resilience you can achieve long-term success and stability also. Then, if natal Uranus is connecting with the transit Jupiter, then we can have revolutionary energy of Uranus with Jupiter. Currently, we do have transit Jupiter conjunct transit Uranus. It signifies a period of unexpected change, sudden shift, and breakthroughs. Expect sudden opportunities for growth and liberation, particularly in the areas related to finance, technology, family, and personal freedom. Then, when natal Neptune is connecting with transit Jupiter, then this combines the idealistic energy of Neptune with the qualities of Jupiter. It signifies a period of inspiration, creativity, and spiritual growth. Expect increased intuition, empathy, and a deepening connection to the world around you. It can signify a time of imagination and vision with clarity and purpose. Lastly, when natal Pluto is making connection with the transit Jupiter, then we can have the transformative energy of Pluto with the amplifying trends of Jupiter. It signifies a period of profound change, regeneration, and empowerment. When we had Saturn, Jupiter both conjunct Pluto in Sagittarius and Capricorn back to back in 2019 and 2020, we had COVID. and the life was never the same after that conjunction. And that was for everyone across the world. Pluto's influence can lead to deep transformative experiences that shakes our foundation of life, especially in finances, resources, and our personal values with Jupiter in Taurus. This time demands significant psychological and emotional shift, confronting and releasing our deep seated fears and our stubborn beliefs. Overall, when Jupiter in Taurus connects with any planet, it adds its unique qualities and influence to the signification of that planet, so that the values of those signification refines, increases, mainly in the area of our family, cultural values, resources, and our inner strength when Jupiter is in Taurus. Let us see for each ascendant sign what Jupiter will bring individually for us. Check the Taurus sign for impact, and also Virgo, Scorpio, and Capricorn as Jupiter aspects here. Start with Aries. For Aries, Jupiter in Taurus may bring opportunities for financial growth and stability in family happiness. It can be the time for doing charity, some religious ceremony, evaluating your self worth, your personality, and financially with increased income, investments, and earning potentials. Focus on building long term security and stability in your health, finances, and work zone by making some necessary changes. Expect foreign travel, higher learning, and powerful new beginning with unconventional yet practical ways to make money, handle your family matters, and adapt some fresh ideas which can open lot of new doors for you. Taurus, this is a significant period for bringing some major changes, leading to abundance, growth, and opportunities for personal development. You may adopt new ways to handle and trade in your stocks, your business, and learn new skills. It is the time to expand your horizons, travel to distant places, connect with new people, or relocate to have new experiences of life. Your world would change from here, giving you more exposure, impacting your children, elders in your family, your bosses, and your close relationships. It's your moment to shine. Be healthy through your decisive actions. Do not be stubborn to modify your old patterns, and you will go a long way from here. Gemini, Jupiter may bring spiritual growth and inner exploration. Jupiter rules your relationship, marriage, your work, and your public image. Expect positive changes in these areas along with your home, family, your approach towards your mother, and your health. It's the time to go inward. Reflect on your belief on these areas. Increase your spiritual practices. Seek wisdom and understanding while being alone. It's all about new beginning when it comes to your joint finances, your health, healing any emotional wounds. Tie up all the loose ends and get ready for a new start next year. Cancer. This transit can bring opportunities for growth and expansion in your social circle. Your group activities and your desires can get fulfilled. Your children will shine, and you will make new goals in trading, in stocks. Your close relations, communication, and your courage will improve. It is a very favorable time for travel and making new connections. Jupiter rules your health, style of working, your daily routine, and your beliefs, your cultural values the most. Expect positive changes in all these areas. Leo, you may change your work, job, business, or the way you work itself can change. Expect change in the way you deal with your children, your stock market activities, also in the way you manage your family and finances. Your focus can be on your career progress, recognition for your work to increase your income and your family happiness. It is the time to set new goals, pursue leadership opportunities, and showcase your talents and your abilities. Your work responsibilities may increase along with your earning capacity. Do take care of your health and be organized. You may change your home or have some repairing work to beautify your home. It is a action oriented time and do make most of this. Virgo, one of the best transit for Virgo. You have luck and capacity both to achieve all round success. Jupiter in Taurus may bring opportunities for higher learning, long distance travel, and expanding your horizons. It is a very favorable time for growth of your children, for creative learnings, exploring new culture, and broadening your perspective through new experiences in life. It is the time to polish your personality, improve your communication and your confidence. The results can be seen at your home and also in your close relationship. Libra, this transit can bring some benefic changes in your work, in your health, and the way you speak. Also, the way you handle your finances, your family bond, and this can give you a new start in all these matters. You may look for peace in the family, financial growth, and stability in life. It is the time to focus on new investments, joint finances, and building a solid foundation for your future financial security. It is the best time to travel, move to foreign land for education or for job perspective and improve your living condition. Avoid fear of loss here as Jupiter will always support you and help you to progress. Scorpio, you will work on having right partner, having marriage, building strong partnership and relationship for life. It is the time to deepen your connection with your family, cultivate harmony in your partnerships, and explore opportunities for earning more and having mutual growth. Expect positive changes in your public image, in your personality. You may develop new connections, have pleasant time, and travel frequently to widen your circle. You may have a strong desire now to succeed in your personal relationships and also learning some new skills. Sagittarius, expect sudden correction and new development in your work area, in your daily routine, and in your health. It is a very favorable time to take up new and challenging tasks at work. Use your knowledge and intelligence to stand out among others and improve your finances. Focus on spending wisely, invest more, improve your work conditions, and explore new income sources. Now is a great time for you to be with your family. Have right kind of food and improve your health. Capricorn, Jupiter in Taurus may encourage you to travel, invest wisely, spend your time to learn new skills, get into some fun and pleasure giving activities. It is the time to indulge in your passion, pursue artistic projects that can earn you income, and express yourself creatively. Expect fulfillment of your desires and good development in your children's life also. You may have better life with change in your personality and your enhanced belief system. This time push you to think outside the box. New creative solutions to old problems may just come up from nowhere for you. Aquarius, this transit can finally bring that breakthrough by new development in your domestic life, your home, or you can relocate to some other place. It is a very favorable time for any transformation, resolving family matters, invest in real estate, and strengthening your bond with your loved ones by making peace. Jupiter ensures happiness here. It is the best time to work on achieving your goals. Take a step forward in your work zone and apply for jobs in foreign country. Expect travel, sudden expenses or even losses, so be cautious. Pisces, it is the time to expand your knowledge. Engage in some meaningful conversation with your friends and siblings. Go for travel and connect with others in your community. Jupiter in Taurus assures family happiness and positive change in your personality. This time may demand great efforts and maintaining your courage as you may deal with some challenging work here. Try new technology, creative solutions such as latest apps and software programs to improve your communication both online and offline. It is a great time to start online business and make new connections. Your desires will get fulfilled with your improved social connections. That was all about the impact on all the ascendants. To summarize, the goal of Jupiter in Taurus is to improve your self worth at all the levels and give you slow but steady growth. Jupiter guarantees divine guidance, protection, and will provide support by higher knowledge and realistic understanding of our situation. Do make most of this and be assured of success. Wish you all the best with this transit. Thank you for joining me and your time. Do share your feedback and stay tuned with this channel for more updates. Thank you.